The plane takes off at 8 a.m. The plane takes off at a.m. The jet takes off from the runway. The jet takes off from the runway. I take my coat off because it is hot. I take my coat off because it is hot. I take my shoes off at the door. I take my shoes off at the door. His new business takes off very quickly. His new business takes off very quickly. The band's career takes off after the concert. The band's career takes off after the concert. I take days off for a holiday. I take days off for a holiday. I take Friday off. I take Friday off. I take the shoes back to the store. I take the shoes back to the store. I take the book back to the library. I take the book back to the library. I take back what I said earlier. I take back what I said earlier. She takes back her comment after learning the truth. She takes back her comment after learning the truth. The bus takes the passengers back home. The bus takes the passengers back home. I take my younger sister back home. I take my younger sister back home. I try to take all the information in. I try to take all the information in. I take in new information slowly. I take in new information slowly. The tailor takes my shirt in. The tailor takes my shirt in. I take the skirt in because it is too big. I take the skirt in because it is too big. They take in many stray cats. They take in many stray cats. My aunt takes in students from other countries. My aunt takes in students from other countries. She takes after her mother. She takes after her mother. The boy takes after his father. The boy takes after his father. He takes his pen out of his bag. He takes his pen out of his bag. I take my phone out to check the time. I take my phone out to check the time. I take money out at the ATM. I take money out at the ATM. I take some cash out for my trip. I take some
cash out for my trip. He takes his girlfriend out for dinner. He takes his girlfriend out for dinner. I take my parents out for a nice meal. I take my parents out for a nice meal. She takes up swimming this summer. She takes up swimming this summer. He takes up painting as a hobby. He takes up painting as a hobby. This table takes up too much space. This table takes up too much space. The project takes up all my time. The project takes up all my time. I take you up on your offer. I take you up on your offer. I take up the job opportunity immediately. I take up the job opportunity immediately. The baby takes to her new teacher. The baby takes to her new teacher. I take to the new neighborhood quickly. I take to the new neighborhood quickly. She takes to drinking tea every morning. She takes to drinking tea every morning. I take to walking in the park. I take to walking in the park. I take on a difficult project. I take on a difficult project. I take on new responsibilities at work. I take on new responsibilities at work. The store takes on new staff for the summer. The store takes on new staff for the summer. The company takes more workers on. The company takes more workers on. Our team takes the champion on today. Our team takes the champion on today. He takes his biggest rival on. He takes his biggest rival on. She takes over the family business. She takes over the family business. He takes over the management of the company. He takes over the management of the company. I take over when my colleague is tired. I take over when my colleague is tired. I take over my colleague's duties when he is on vacation. I take over my colleague's duties when he is on vacation. I take my radio apart. I take my radio apart. I take my model car apart. I take my model car apart. I have to take care of my little brother. I have to take care of my little brother. I take care of my cat. I take care of my cat. I will take care of the report. I will take care of the report. I need to take care of this urgent task. I need to take care of this urgent task. The company takes care of all our travel expenses. The company takes care of all our travel expenses.
The insurance will take care of the repair costs. The insurance will take care of the repair costs. I take part in a discussion. I take part in a discussion. I take part in the meeting. I take part in the meeting. I take the coffee away. I take the coffee away. The waiter takes away the empty plates from the table. The waiter takes away the empty plates from the table.